Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Why am I wearing a special red jacket? Well, it's not because the markets are red. If you think that, what is it? What could it possibly be? Maybe I should have a poll. What do you reckon? Anyway, let's get ready for a special day today. Lots going on. Why am I wearing a red jacket? Well, let's see if you can work it out. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome. Tap the subscribe button, let me know you're here, and tap the like button as always. That'll be absolutely great. The markets are red today, but why am I wearing a red jacket? Okay, let's get straight into it. Good morning, good morning. Let's see who is here first. We've got a nice audience building up now. Welcome, everybody. Let me just check around the studio. Everything seems to be good. Yes. Yes. Okay. Kevin B. Kevin B, your video is done. Your anniversary date. No, it's not that. It's not that. Let's have a look. I've got, let me just check for a moment. Kevin B. Yes. Kevin B, I'm glad you are here. I have your video for you. You asked for VinFast. Here is your video. Let me share with you your video. VinFast. It was Kevin B, wasn't it? Yes, it was. VinFast. You asked me for a review. It's out. I've done a review and an update on it. So if you'd like your video, here it is. And if you want to go and promote it, you can do a YouTube ads if you want to do that, or you can do a super thanks under the video, and it'll promote the video out, and I'll also pin it to the top. Let me give you the link for that. There you go. All right. Let me just give the link to everybody else watching with me this morning. There we go. Give it to my Rumble audience as well. There we go. So everyone has got the link. There is my VinFast review. I did that for Kevin B yesterday. So I saw it. Oh, you did see it. Fantastic. Now, what a super thanks is, just so you know, you don't have to do this. I'm just letting you know what it is. Some people like to promote the video. Underneath the video, you can do a comment. I'd highlight it to the top. And if you want to put like a link or a comment, it's the only time you can promote stuff on my channel. I pin it to the top. It's one of the perks of being a benefit. One of the perks of being a member. If you want to promote something, I'll pin it to the top. All right, so there you go. That's what that is all about. Right. Okay, Kevin B, that's that one done. What else have I got? Have I got Ranveer Lavosia, John McGilvery, Bill Oberkirsch, Tokars Charles, and Michelle? Are any of you in the stream today? Okay, now then, why am I wearing a red jacket? Any ideas? Zach, your review is next in a few moments' time. Or hi all, it is going to be for NVMI review. Please, Nova. I've got a nice super chat for that one, so it's top of the list. Priority coming up next. Let me come back to the main position. Let me just check a couple of things. That looks good. And that looks good. Fantastic. All right. That's all good. Got a few things we've been tweaking to perfect. And we're all looking good. Yeah. Now then. I might do a poll in a second to see if anyone can guess why I'm wearing a red jacket. Anyway. Kevin B, your anniversary date. Jenny, it isn't that. No. Jamie Thurman, good morning. Good morning, Jamie. How are you? Francesco Santos, hi all. Good evening, Matthew Kelly. I saw it. Oh, you've seen it. Great. You've been invited to interview Benny Hill. Boy, it's your birthday. It's not my birthday. It will be soon, by the way, but it's not yet. I'll be 55 soon, live on the show. Hi all, let's have a lovely day. Red day. Well, it is a red day, but that's not why. You have been invited to interview Benny Hill. I like that. He said it twice, just in case I missed it the first time. I like it. Right. No, Virgin Galactic today is down at the moment. Palantir is down. Gold is up. The S&P is down. Jose Quintana, Playboy Jose Quintana, there you go. Of course, today is the world premiere for my Playboy video. Absolutely. Today is the world premiere of my Playboy video. Comes up later today. You don't want to miss it, do you? You don't want to miss it. That's coming up later today. I should put a little promo video out about it. But the biggest video ever done. Right. Okay. Hi, Martin. The red jacket is for the new valuation at 123 for space, like you predicted. Yeah. Well, it could well be. It could well be. But no, it's not that. All right. McDonald's, Google, Microsoft, of course, Nvidia tonight. So we've got a couple of things to do. Nvidia earnings. Nvidia earnings. I need to add that as well. So let me bring that into the show right now. Nvidia. I don't normally look at it, but I'm going to bring it in now. Nvidia. Of course, the markets are expecting Nvidia to miss on earnings, so the whole thing is down today. Now, I get paid today about midday, $2,000, so I hope everything crashes. That's the idea. Right. Do you have a concert? No concert tonight. Huzek. So, Sidus got a new CFO put in stock. Oh, Sidus Space got a new chief financial officer. That's good. Put in the stock section on Discord. Thank you, Rallo1. I will come to that then. Let me do that now. Thank you, stock news. Thank you very much for the information. Please try and put it in links for YouTube, only because I'll find it easier. Welcome to the breakfast bar this morning. Well, are we a public server yet? You'll know because it will get very busy. That's what I'm told. This is the breakfast bar this morning. All members, go get the money. There's Mike. That looks like a new picture. It looks like a new picture. You're taking it from a new angle. Eric B. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, eggs, bacon on toast. I'm loving it. I'm loving that. Let me give that a nice thumbs up. Hope for the best. Yes, always hope for the best. Nice one. What else have we got? We've got Sam Bankman-Fried. Is now in jail. I think that's brilliant. That's where he belongs. Stole everybody's money. He should stay there for the rest of his life. You knew what you were doing. Get out of it. Right. Okay. What else have we got? You said you put it in, what did you say? Stock news. So, Sidus Space. Let's have a look. Inducement grant to new chief financial officer. Okay, here we go. Sidus Space. Let's bring some Sidus Space in for a moment. Rallo1, thank you for sharing that. I added a picture on Discord, news chit chat for Nova offices. Nova. Yes, I added a picture on Discord in chit chat. Zax8, can you put it in links for YouTube? Oh yes, Nvidia tonight. I'm waiting for the Playboy review. All right. Okay. Everyone's going to watch it. It's going to be the biggest video in the history of the world. Right? No doubt about it. Right, here we go. Let me SIDU. SIDU, how do you do? Here we go. So SIDU. Now, this is important because LUNR lands tomorrow, hopefully lands tomorrow. So this will be important, right? So let's go over now to the clock. And, right, okay, here we go. 8. Whoops, a daisy. 8, and that's SIDU. Okay, SIDU, how do you do? All right, okay. I'm going to bring this up here. Production. Right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We're just hours away, just tomorrow night, to see LUNR land on the moon. And of course, all space stocks potentially could have a boost. So we do have Sidus space news for you right now. So I'm going to bring that to you. As always, tap the like button if you like things to go up, and tap the down like button if you like things to go down. Why am I wearing a red jacket? Well, today is the world premiere of my Playboy review. Yep, you don't want to miss it. Going to be the biggest video I've ever made. No question about it, that comes up today. You don't want to miss it. Links below, above my head, everywhere else. You want to join it live for the live conversation because it may never be seen on YouTube again. But right now... Right now, though, it's Sidus Space. I've got some information for you, updated information. Full disclosure: I don't own any shares of this, even though we represent 10% of the shares. 8.1% is Martini Racer, one of our members, and the rest is our members. 10%. I don't own any shares now anymore. I only own the S&P. Full disclosure, so I can be impartial, unbiased. I always have been, but now it's more obvious. Sidus Space reports inducement grant for new chief financial officer. Sidus, a multifaceted space and data as a service company, today announced the grant of an inducement award to the company's newly appointed Chief Financial Officer, Bill White. In connection with Mr. White's appointment, the Sidus Space Board of Directors approved a stock option grant to Mr. White as inducement material to Mr. White entering into employment with Sidus Space. In accordance with NASDAQ listings rules, the stock option provides for the purchase of up to 25,000 shares of Sidus Space common stock at a price of $4.60 per share. The closing price per share of Sidus Space common stock, as reported by NASDAQ on the date of the grant, and vests over 3 years, with 1/36 of the shares vesting at the end of the month after Mr. White's employment start date, and the remainder vesting ratably at the end of each subsequent month thereafter, subject to Mr. White's continued service relationship with Sidus Space through the applicable vesting dates. Now, it's important to explain what this is, because I was speaking to Virgin Galactic about it the other day. Lots of employees get these benefits, and what it does is it encourages talent to stay with the company. So this is a potentially good thing, because he's getting rewarded with stock, and it'll take time for over a long period of time before he gets it all and can sell it all. So it encourages them to stay with the company. It's also good for the stock as well, because the stock stays invested. So Sidus Space at the moment is a bit down. It is a good time to buy it, though, because we've got a month to go. Not even that, just a few weeks to go before we go on to SpaceX. And as I talk about it, no surprise, it started to pop up then, just for the moment. No surprise, because we've got the flights in a few weeks' time on SpaceX, and we know how that's done for LUNR. So look out for that. We'll be covering all of it, and any earnings and anything else we need to cover with Sidus Space. Click above my head, click down there. You do not want to miss, of course, today. You do not want to miss our world premiere of the most sexiest video I've ever done. I'm reviewing Playboy. You might want to join me live, because it will probably be taken off YouTube after it airs. Should be a lot of fun. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, okay. Thank you for the Nicola reports. William, you're very, very welcome. As a member, if you become a member of the channel, you can ask me to review stocks. You can ask me to cover earnings. I'm here for all my members. When it gets too busy in the chat, I'll go members only. We might be doing that again shortly, because I expect a busy day today. All right, Paul Stone. Good morning. Paul Stone's over there on Facebook. How are you, mate? Great to see you here. Do you think that PLTR is a good buy right now? PLTR, is it a good buy right now? I would wait to see what happens on the Nvidia earnings. I would wait to and for the Nvidia earnings. All right, Jamie Thurman. Jamie Thurman says, check out SELX. I'm afraid it's a members-only perk. If you want to become a member, I can review a stock for you, but it's a members-only perk. I've got so many for the members. So, yes, I have to focus on my members, I'm afraid. It's only cut the buck to become a member. Now then, next thing we want to cover. Let me just go through this morning. Now, Virgin Galactic, yes, Virgin Galactic. We've got the earnings coming up. So SPCE, we want to make sure we cover this. February the 27th. February 27th. Okay, now then, let me get rid of that for the moment. I've covered that. Thank you, Rallo1, for that information. Okay, here we go. So, why the jacket, sir? Well, just been explaining it. I will explain again right now, Niels. Okay, so here we go. Virgin Galactic breaking news. Why am I wearing a red jacket? Well, it's not because the stock is about to go down to 120, which it could, but that isn't the reason. The reason why I've got a red jacket on is today I have the world premiere of my Playboy review, and I'm letting everybody know about it before it comes out, because it will probably be taken off YouTube once it comes out. But that doesn't matter. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's my most sexiest video I've ever done. Playboy review coming up today. Anyway, Virgin Galactic, on the links for that will be above my head and down here. The reason for mentioning Virgin Galactic is because we've got LUNR intuitive machines about to land on the moon, and hopefully tomorrow night we'll be covering it live if we can. Also, we have the earnings for Virgin Galactic coming up in just a few days' time. In fact, for 6 days' time, we'll be covering it live. Links above my head, down below in the description. You don't want to miss it. I think we're going to miss on earnings, and I think we're going to get the stock drop. That's what I think. It could be an opportunity to buy, because anywhere under 2 is undervalued. So there's an update for Virgin Galactic. You don't want to miss my review later on. You might be a one-time trip pony. Anyway, Virgin Galactic, join us for the earnings. Over here, you'll find all the links for that, and hopefully you'll join us. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other, and beware Nvidia earnings tonight as well. We could get another drop. That could be a catalyst for another major overall market drop. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. There you go. Now then, what else have I got? Gold, S&P, Amazon. Good morning, family. Hope you're all well. Hey, wonderful. Jardistick. I was reading your email again this morning about your experience with Premiere Pro and Pro Logic. I actually use Adobe Premiere. There's no real reason. It's just the one I started with, and I've stuck with it.
Good morning, family. Hope all is well with you all. Heart.
Yes, it is. Wonderful to have you here, Yardistick, and I will be replying to your email. I apologize for the delay. Okay, let's move over. Can't even buy Playboy on MT Broker. Right, Apple, Next Era Energy, Enphase today. Enphase. Let's have a little look. ENPH. ENPH, Enphase Energy. Right, what's the time? Just doing a few updates. 18:19. 18. ENPH. Breaking news, Martyn Lucas Investor, Enphase Energy. I just wanted to alert you of tonight, potentially, we could get a drop. We're covering the Nvidia earnings, expecting a miss, and I think it could be an overall market downturn. We could get a big flash crash tonight. I'm expecting it. I'm prepared for it. Is that why I'm wearing a red jacket? No, I'm wearing a red jacket because tonight is the premiere, and it'll only probably be a premiere of my Playboy review. As you all know, I review lots lots of stocks, and I may not be on the air after this, but we shall see what happens. Join me for the live event. It'll be exciting. Also, join me for Nvidia's earnings tonight. I think we need to keep our eye on solar. High-risk stocks like this that have a time period. What I mean by that is we've got another quarter to go before we really see the power come back into the solar stocks because of the interest rates and the potential pushing out for a longer period of time before we raise them. So we could get a drop tonight. So I'm prepared with some cash, prepared for that. I'm also prepared for my world premiere. You don't want to miss it. Click above my head for the Nvidia or the Playboy or down here, the whole thing. That's why I'm wearing a Hugh Hefner's jacket today. Should be an exciting day. Kadoy, just subscribe to me. Getting ready for that video, all right? Enphase, solar, all of it tonight. High risk, could drop some 5 or 10% tonight. Are you ready? Do you have your cash on hand? I do. Join me later. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. We've got now then Kenvue, Chevron, Tesla. Yeah, I think I will do an on Tesla as well. TSLA. This will also drop tonight. This is what I'm thinking. See if I'm right. See if I'm right. TSLA. Both. Niels, what's Niels? You mean the shares of the magazine? Enphase dropped because of Solar Edge earnings. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Momo the Great. Tesla, be prepared for tonight. We've got the Nvidia earnings. I'm not wearing a red jacket because we are red right now or even expecting a crash. But I have cash on hand. I think Nvidia's got carried away today, and I think we're going to see a bit of a crash tonight. I'm going to cover the earnings live, but the reason why I'm wearing this jacket is because tonight is the world premiere of a new review I'm doing for Playboy. Yep, it's going to be my sexiest video ever. You want to join me live for it, because I doubt if I'll be on the air after it goes out. It might be a one-trick pony. Anyway, join me for that. But Tesla, be very careful tonight. I think we've got a drop on the earnings tonight with Nvidia, and we'll see. I might be wrong. I was once. No, I really do believe tonight could be a drop for Tesla. Click above my head for all the links down here. Over here, you'll find more links and all the rest of it. And all right, until later on, smash the like button or the down like button. What do you think? If you tap it up, the stocks are going up. If you tap it down, the stocks are going down. It's up to you. See you in a bit. As always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. Okay, let's have a look. Rivian, McDonald's, Google, Microsoft, and Walmart, Tilray, Robinhood, IonQ, Rocket Lab, Plug. Plug is also another one that could drop today. Yeah, Plug. These are all little videos that will go out later. Okay, Plug Power. How you all doing this morning? Lovely to see you. Starting buyback in the next 6 weeks. Yeah, but that means there'll be a drop before it happens, though. That's what I'm expecting. Plug Power, beware. We know that this stock is a great company, but it's also surrounded by lots of Russian oligarchs and manipulation. We've seen it happen live on my show. If you've not yet seen that video, type in Martyn Lucas, Plug Power, corruption, you'll find it. But why am I wearing a red jacket? It's not because the stock's down today, which they are, is I'm expecting the whole market to drop tonight because of Nvidia earnings. I think it's going to send all the markets down. But more importantly than that is the reason for this amazing Hugh Hefner jacket is tonight I'm doing a review of Playboy. It's going to be my sexiest video ever and probably be taken off the air after it goes out. Honestly, could be a lot of fun. I review lots of stocks, and tonight I'm reviewing, later on today I'm reviewing Playboy, so don't miss it. Click above my head for all the links. You might want to join me for the Nvidia earnings, but do get prepared for Plug to drop today. I think it's overbought. I think it's a great company. It's a $4 or $5 stock, and later on in a year or so it could be $10. However, we've got the numbers are not going to show up in the earnings yet. I don't think we're there yet. So with any negative news in a stock like Nvidia, I think it will bring the overall markets down, and Plug will come back down with it. So I'm ready today. I've got some cash. Check above my head, down here, over here. You don't want to miss the review, do you? Tap the like button if you think Plug should go up, or tap the down like if you think it should go down. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you back later for a very special Playboy review. Until then, be very careful. Plug power could drop on Nvidia earnings. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Rumble. Funware. Future Faraday. Rio Tinto. Let's have a look. Let's go through our positions here. How's everyone doing this morning? You all well? Bitcoin down 1.31. Polygon down 5%. Ripple down 2%. Now we also want to cover LUNR, LUNR, LUNR. Very, very important. Tomorrow night we'll be covering it live. Hopefully we'll cover it live anyway. LUNR. Okay, here we are. Let's have a quick look at LUNR. You've been preparing me for Amazon drop since 140 though, Niels. But I agree. I expect a disappointing earnings as well. Good morning, Zach8. Good morning, Momo the Great. Lovely to have you here. How are you, mate? Okay, right then. LUNR. LUNR. LUNR Intuitive Machines lands on the moon, at least hope so, tomorrow night. Why am I wearing red when the stock is green? And I'm always wearing a black jacket. Why red today? Well, there's a very good reason for that. We wish the very, very best for LUNR. Hopefully we'll be covering it live, streaming it live for you. I'm pretty certain we will be able to. But the reason for this is we've got the earnings tonight for Nvidia, and I think it's going to bring the overall markets down. But that still isn't the reason why I'm wearing red. No, it's not. It's because of tonight or later on today, I've got the world premiere of my Playboy review. You don't want to miss it. It'll only be live once as a premiere, and it'll probably be taken off the air afterwards. Just a bit of fun. I hope you'll all join me for it in the live chat. Look out for the links above my head down here. But there we go. That's my latest review tonight. Be very careful, though. I think Intuitive Machines is being bought on the hype of it landing on the moon. If things go wrong, of course, it'll go straight back down, all the way down to like pennies. But I do expect it to be successful. Things are going well so far. Tomorrow night we'll cover it live. It will be after hours, and we'll see what the stock price does. But then the question is, when it lands, where do we go from here? Do we trim off? Do we take out all our profits? Because is it going to earn any money sat on the moon? Probably not for a while, but there you go. The stock is trading up. Where do you see it going from here? I'd like your thoughts in the comments. I will reply to all of my members. So join me later on today for the Playboy review. You don't want to miss it. And of course, for Nvidia earnings, all the links are above and below. And of course, over here, you don't want to miss the live stream of the event, as I should be able to broadcast that as well. Good luck to all the team at LUNR Intuitive Machines. It's an incredible achievement if we can do it. Landing an unmanned craft on the moon, absolutely great. And we very much look forward to it. Good luck to all of you. All right, LUNR. Okay, that's good. That's LUNR. What is it? Soundhound. Soundhound is down today. Be very careful with this one as well. Whoops. Sound. SOUN. Got 30 minutes before the bell goes. Quick sip of tea. Thanks for all the love, by the way. All those that are tapping the love. I love it. Soundhound acting spiky. Yes. Now, Soundhound is one that can drop tonight as well. Yeah, okay. Soundhound. Ticker symbol SOUN. Why am I wearing a red jacket? A lot's going on today. Soundhound, I've been covering this a lot recently. The reason for the red jacket is not because it's red, not because Nvidia are earnings reporting tonight, which they are, and I expect to miss, and I expect all the markets to come down tonight, particularly high risk. Penny stocks like this, as good as it might be, I think we could get a lot of volatility today. So watch out for that. No, that isn't the reason. The reason why is I probably won't be here tomorrow because I've got another review coming out, and I'm reviewing Playboy tonight, and it might be the last time you ever see me on YouTube. But there you go. That's just a little preview of my Playboy review tonight. I was asked to do it, so I thought, let's go all in. Let's do it. So anyway, join me for that or join me for the Nvidia earnings, but have some cash on hand. I think we're going to get drops in certain stocks. Soundhound is one of them. Click above my head, down here in the links, down below over there and over here as well. We'll have all the earnings, all the information that you might need, and maybe that Playboy review as well. Until later on, hopefully you'll join me live for both of those events, the Playboy, plus also you'll join me for the earnings tonight. Thank you, Philip, for your subscription. This is being made during a live show. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Now then, there was something else. Just bear with me. Let's have a look at this. There's something trending on my channel at the moment. Which was it? LUNR. FSR. Yeah. It's FSR. I knew it. Okay, that's another one that could be affected by tonight. So let me cover that. FSR. And then that's it then. I've covered all the things I want to do for this morning. Got the review to do next. FSR, here we go. Fisker. Now then. FSR. Thank you for all the love coming in. This is great. You're really promoting the channel this morning. I can't thank you enough for that. Let me see. Let me share with you on the screen what you're doing. Look at this. Absolutely great. See that? Look. That's people in the stream tapping the hearts. If we all do it for a second, let's see what happens. Let me hold it there for a second. Let's see how busy it gets. So we've got someone doing the loves, somebody else do the confetti, somebody else do the 100%, and the like. Let's see all the different ones come up. And the reason for doing this, by the way, it sends out an algorithm. If you like the channel, it gets YouTube starts to share it out, same way as on TikTok. So they look at the engagement. So give it a couple of seconds because there's a 30-second delay. And let's see if we start getting confetti. Let's start if we're seeing the 100% and something else. So far, we've got it mad on the loves. Is that because of Playboy today? Oh, there we go. There's a confetti pop up there. Do you see that? Oh, there's 100%. All right, it's starting now. Right, tab it as fast as you can. There you go. Let's see it come up. So we got the love hearts winning at the moment. There's the confetti. There's the 100%. Oh, hello. What was that? That was a surprise face as well. There you go. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's gone mad. How fast can you do it? Like that. I'm loving it. I like that. And you'll see the views and the shares go up. It's very hard work though. I know how hard you've got to work for that. But look at that. Brilliant. That's the Lucas AIDS gone mad. I'm loving it. Right. Just very, very quickly then, one final one. Thank you ever so much for all of this, folks. Let me do one final one. Fisker. FSR Fisker. Warning, warning, warning. Why am I wearing a red jacket today? I'll tell you right now. If you tap the like button, if you want this stock price to go up. Of course, Brownlee destroyed the stock with saying it's the worst car ever. And when you are such a big YouTuber, it does make a difference. People dumped the stock yesterday. However, the reason why I'm wearing a red jacket now is for two reasons. First of all, a warning. Tonight is the Nvidia earnings. We're going to cover it live. You might want to join me, but that isn't the main reason. The main reason is later on today might be the last time you ever see me on YouTube, because I have a review coming out for Playboy. Yes, I do. And it's probably the last time you'll ever see me on YouTube, quite frankly. It's going to be streaming live, the premiere. And I don't know if I'll be back here tomorrow after it comes out. Should be fun. Join me for the Playboy review. Can you make money buying Playboy? Well, Fisker, get ready, because tonight when we get the earnings of Nvidia, I think the whole market is going to crash. I do actually have some money on hand. I've not sold anything, but I get paid today on YouTube in about 2 hours. So hopefully just in time I'll have some cash, and I'll be looking for discounts today. Now Fisker is a good price right now, 60 cents. FSR, are you going to pick this up today? You want to be careful though. There could be some movement when the earnings comes out of Nvidia. And also join me, of course, for that Playboy review. It might be the last time you ever see me here on YouTube. Above my head, down below in the description, over here you'll find more information, the earnings and that video as well. Don't miss it. Until later on, FSR, be careful. There could be a lot of volatility today. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay. Now then, I think we've covered all we wanted to cover. I'm in LUNR. Let me read the comments. What have we got here? Let me read the comments. Oh, Nvidia. I forgot the most important one. I've been talking about Nvidia this entire time and not actually talking about Nvidia tonight. Flipping heck. Nvidia. Got to cover the earnings tonight. Completely forgot. And then we can get on with the next review for... do we have in the chat Ranvir Lavoisier, John, Matt Gilvray, Bill Oberkirch, Tokars Charles, and Michelle? Are any of you in the chat right now? If you are, please come in. Workhorse Group looking good this morning. Richard Garcia, if you become one of my members, I can review it for you. A lot of guests here this morning. Mike P, Fisker. Mike P, how are you this morning? Palto. If you become a member of the channel, I can review anything for you, cover the earnings for you, research for you. It's just what I do for my members. There you go. There's the all links button if you want to get the newsletter, by the way, for your birthday card. If you want to follow me on Rumble, there's Rumble for an alternative view. There is Discord if you want to be a researcher for my team. Alpha Spread, you want to get my software that I use at my music channel. Follow me on StockTwits and follow me on X. There are all the links right there. Okay. But I agree, expect a disappointing earnings as well, says Niels. Yes, I think so. Now then, Nvidia, quickly. Let's do this. Nvidia. Okay. Now then. Nvidia earnings join us live tonight. Why am I wearing red? I'll tell you in a moment. And it's not just because the markets are down today. It's something that's happening very special later on today, which may be the last time you ever see me on YouTube. Seriously, later on today. But we are talking about Nvidia tonight. The earnings for Nvidia, of course, AI is overbought. Everyone's been getting a little bit carried away with the price, and I think what we're going to get tonight is a potential crash. I do have money on standby. I haven't sold anything. I only own the S&P, and I've not sold any of it, but I am looking today to add more. We will be covering the Nvidia earnings live tonight. I do expect a drop. Join me for that. But the reason why I'm wearing the red jacket, not only do I think that we're going to get a crash today and everything is red, but that's not the reason. This jacket here is Hugh Hefner's jacket. Not literally, but you know what I mean? Kind of, sort of. Well, the reason for that is tonight, later on today, I've got the world premiere of my most sexiest video ever. Yes, I am doing a review for Playboy, and it will probably be the very last time you will see me live on the show. I have to say, I went all out on it. I thought, what the hell? If I get banned, I get banned. I'll just go to Rumble instead. Anyway, there we go. Join me for the Nvidia earnings. Should be a lot of fun tonight. A lot of volatility, able to buy a dip in the market. I think all high-risk stocks with debt and overbought AI, exciting stocks like space and all these things will all drop tonight. See if I'm right. I hope I'm not, but I kind of hope I am because I want to buy more at a reduced price. Absolutely right. So there you go. Join me for the earnings, or if you want to join me for the premiere of my Playboy video, my last live stream ever, go over here. I'll see you later on. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. But I said Nvidia was expensive at 80 well, so could be wrong. Ha Niels, good day all. Paul Knowles, hi Martin, are you still bullish on RAP? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I am bullish on RAP. RAAP. RAP Technologies. That's at 385 now. Are we dropping still? Yes, we are. Let's have a little look. We've had no news from RAP for a while. Let's have a quick update on RAP. Someone sent me some information on RAP. Where was it? Yes, here it is. Dawn Podderus. Dawn Podderus sent me. Exciting ISD department has officially joined. Right. This was just out. So let me share this. Pilot Point ISD police department has officially joined a rapidly growing RAP and waving. Okay. Pilot Point ISD police department. All right. Okay. Good. So let's get a time because I think I've drifted. So 40 minutes. 40 RAP. There we go. Let's have that ready to rock and roll. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, RAP Technologies. I've got some information for you right now and expecting an update from RAP Technologies on the video call. As you know, they like to call into my show. Why am I wearing red? I'll tell you in a second. It might be the last time you ever see me on YouTube. Seriously, I might have to be on Rumble after tomorrow. We shall see. I'll tell you about it in a second. But first of all, this information, why you are here. For RAP Technologies, we've got some good news. Pilot Point ISD Police Department have just joined the RAP family. This is very, very good indeed. Posted on their social media. And we like this. More good news around RAP. So why is the stock price down today? Well, mainly because, of course, we've got the big earnings today coming up for Nvidia. And all new, all high risk, all innovative, space, AI, all of these stocks with debt. Not saying that RAP has debt, it's a very well-funded company. But all these stocks are down tonight, expecting Nvidia to miss and expecting a huge drop on the markets. I'm ready. Is that why I'm wearing red? No, that is not the reason why I'm wearing red. The reason why I'm wearing red is it may be my last ever day on YouTube, as I've been asked to do a special review this evening, coming out later, on Playboy. And I've gone all out. It's a Playboy analysis review, and it's a little bit sexy. That's all I can share with you at this time, because once it's shown, I might not be here anymore. Anyway, join me for the review and join me for the live earnings tonight. You don't want to miss it. We're going to keep our eye on RAP Technologies. Hopefully have RAP on the phone as well. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. There's more links. Over here, you'll find the earnings and the review and the Playboy and everything else. It's going to be a big day. Might not see you tomorrow. Till then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there we go. Are you dollar cost averaging the S&P 500? Yes. The idea is, Tim, I will be paid today on YouTube. I nearly said Rumble then. I'll never get paid on Rumble. I haven't been paid once in over a year. But it is what it is, right? But I will get paid today on YouTube. They pay me every month on the 21st of the month. And I hope to get paid today. Well, I will get paid today. It's always at midday. And I'll have $2,000. and I will bring the $2,000 in, and I will be buying the S&P, but I won't be buying it yet where it is today. No, I'm expecting bigger drops, to be perfectly honest with you. I expect it on after hours tonight to get a reaction to Nvidia, and I am up on my S&P by about 4.5% now. It's fallen back. It was nearly 6. I would like it to go below 4% so I can actually get my all-time low. I don't see it happening that low, but you never know. And because it's only $2,000, it's not like it's $20,000. It's only $2,000. It's not going to impact my average that much anyway. I will be all in by mid-March because of the dividends, the $1.80 per share. So I will be in by mid-March. But I just think I need to wait a day, maybe Friday. We shall see. Maybe it happened tonight in the after hours. So yes, I anticipate buying, but I will be holding cash, earning 5.25% if we don't get much of a drop. Martyn, I'm able to get out of Tesla today. I hear you think it's going to be down. Perhaps get out and re-enter later down the road. Not financial advice. Martyn, I am able to get out of Tesla today. Great. I hear you think, yeah, I think it could drop today. Hugh Hefner, Mike P. Yes. Can we get Playboy Bunny on the show for an interview, Martyn? Oh, yes, that would be good. That would be good. I think we should do it. Kevin B, appreciate what you do, Martyn. Can you do a DM desktop metal review? Yes, of course I can, Kevin B. It'll go just behind the NVMI review. That's for. And the reason why it'll go just behind there is because Zach8 has done it, and it's a $20 super chat, so it'll go just behind there. So let me write that down. Okay, so here we go. Can you do a DM? So this is DM desktop metal, desktop metal, and this is for Kevin B. Kevin B. And yes, okay, there it is, right there. Amazon up 1% after hours on the news. It replaces Walgreens in the Dow Jones. Randy B. Good morning, Randy B. So do we have Ranveer Lavosia, John McGilvray, Bill Oberkirch, Tokaj Charles, and Michelle in the chat? I've got your reviews for you. We got more reviews to do. What happens to the market if Nvidia exceeds Wall Street expectations? Then it will go up. Then I would expect the market to go up. But I can't see it. Nobody can. Shall we have a look at it? Let's have a look at it. Nvidia. Let's have a look at the numbers. Where are we? We've been 6%. Now you might say we're preparing for a miss, and it's already priced in. 59 minutes ago, will be in focus today. Of course, there's the earnings consistently moving up. Yeah, I mean, if it does go up, I'm not bothered. I'm in. I'm just not in by the $2,000 I've got today. But anyway, don't say that, Paul. Randy B. FSR 4.5% pre-market. Yes, we've just been looking at it.
Appreciate what you do, Martyn. Can you do a DM desktop metal review?
Yep, it's written down and ready to go. Okay. Let's have a quick run through, check where we are this morning. We've got more reviews coming up. Just checking a couple of things. Want to say a quick hello to my Rumble audience this morning. Rumble, Rollo Tomasi, jacket must be tax deductible. Can you put your reviews on companies on Rumble? Can you put your reviews of companies on Rumble? Habak 24. Well, the trouble is, this is the trouble. I would love to do that. Let me explain why. I keep the porno off Rumble. Carl Jonak. Can you put your reviews on companies on Rumble? The reason why I haven't is because you have to upload them separately. There used to be an agreement with Rumble and YouTube where they would upload to Rumble. They're not doing that anymore. Rumble have taken that away. So I have to do it manually. So it takes up too much time. High was your Rumble income. His was your Rumble income yesterday. How was your Rumble income yesterday? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely. In fact, let me share with you. I'll share with you. I'll show you. I'll bring it up. Probably not supposed to do this, but I don't care because I'll just share with you, right? Account overview. I'm going to show everybody. Look, it doesn't make any money. Stats and analytics. All right. Let me share with you. Rumble. So Rumble. If I go yesterday, daily, any day. Oh, thank you, Liam. My tea's just turned up. Probably coffee now, is it? Coffee. Thank you very much. Let's have a little look. So, earnings. 20th. Now then, I've got an update. I have got an update here. A Rumble update. Have I got time to do it? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. So this will be interesting. This is very interesting. You're asking me on Rumble about my earnings. So I'm going to, hang on a minute. I've got something you're going to like. My channels. Here we go. Right, I've got something to share with everybody. So let me explain. F5 tornado. So let me share with you. I mean, I can't win the competition because I'm breaking all the rules, right? They want you to come off YouTube, and I can't afford to do that.
Rua Life Sciences, RUA, AIM Stock UK, thanks.
Okay, give me a second. I'll write it down for you. Rumble. So let me just do this now. I have to retract what I said yesterday. So I'm going to do that. I've always said I'll always be open and honest. I'm not here to... I have no agenda at all. Always be 100% honest and true. So let me do it now. At Rumble, it's 55 minutes. So I've got to be quick. I've only got 5 minutes. 55. Okay, here we go. Got to be really, really quick. Really, really quick. Really, really quick. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Rumble, breaking news. I need to offer an apology to Rumble. You remember yesterday I put out a video saying nobody's watching me. These numbers don't make sense. Well, I've got a surprise for you. I'm always here to be open and honest, give you the numbers, give you the research. And just like science, things change, evidence change, facts change, and what as a scientist does is constantly reevaluate the facts and constantly learn. So if you make a mistake, you learn from the mistake. And but I've never got an agenda. I'm not here to be biased in any way. Just bring you straight facts. No bias at all. So I'm going to share with you right now some information. You're going to like this. It's some good news if you like Rumble. This is me live on Rumble right now, and my viewers asked me, did you make any money on Rumble yesterday? Now, you may remember yesterday, I did have, how was your Rumble income yesterday? See that, look? One of my Rumble audience. And I'm going to share with you, because I said yesterday that I didn't believe the numbers were real. I had nobody commenting, nobody liking, nothing at all. But I had these huge numbers. And as I have a lot of experience with doing this, it didn't look right. However, this is what I've just detected. This is my earnings. This is yesterday. Yesterday, normally I get a few views, as you can see there. Look, 200, 300, 400, whatever. And I normally earn sod all. 1 cent per day. Nothing at all. Makes no sense at all, right? That's why I can't afford to be off YouTube. But yesterday, I had 30,000 views. 30,000 views. And you think, well, okay, was that real? Well, it would only be real if I'd actually earned some money, right? Because I thought it wasn't real because it was such exaggerated numbers. But look over here. I actually earned $2.90. Which is about 1% actually of what you earn on YouTube. I just want to say that many numbers, that many views would earn me a lot more than $2.90. So the money that you earn on Rumble is a lot lower. However, it was real. I did earn some money. So yesterday for streaming, I earned $2.90. My now total earnings on Rumble using all platforms, all time. I'm going to share everything for you right now. All platforms, all data, all time. I have earned a grand total of $71.79 now. So, full disclosure, I want to be completely open and honest. I don't mind if they throw me off the platform for sharing this. I can't win the competition because I'm on YouTube at the same time. Doesn't matter. I'm about bringing the most honest information, not about me earning money, not about me getting subscribers, but it is about bringing you the facts and the information. So there you go. I wanted to share with everybody the situation. So there you go. There is my Rumble audience. The numbers were real and I'm getting paid. I haven't been paid yet, but the numbers and the money is showing in there. So that's great. So I wanted to share that with Rumble today. So thank you very much indeed. If you're not following me on Rumble yet, go and check it out. But it does look like it does actually work. Fantastic. I'm very, very pleased about that. So tap the like button if you like this message. Tap the down like if you don't. But again, as I said, it's all about the facts and information. It's not about me winning prizes. It's not about me making money. It's not about me getting subscribers. It's about me growing and building the most honest, real channel on TV. That's what it's about. And why am I wearing red? Because today is a world premiere of this. I have a very, very sexy video coming out tonight, which is probably the last time you'll ever see me on any channel because I've got my Playboy review. Click above my head, down here, over here, you'll find it. Should be a great evening. Until then, Rumble, thank you very much. I earned some money at last. All right, we're about to ring the bell. And did that just in time. Here we go. Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. We're about to go through the stocks. We're about to ring the bell in 15 seconds. Awesome. Right. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
The year is 1991. Birds and
The bell has gone. You can sponsor the bell for $20 super chat.
One day, a young man catches
All right,
fire.
here we go.
This is Phoenix.
It is. Get ready for earnings.
You've been knocked down and got up again.
Okay, let me write down this review that's just come in for Paul Knowles. He wants. What does he want? Let me put that down here. The review is RUA, Life Sciences. Let me write that down. RUA Life Sciences, RUA AIM stock UK. I'm not sure what that means. That too. RUA Life Sciences, which is RUA AIM stock UK. Okay, I'm not sure I'll be able to see it, but I'll have a look for it. Paul Knowles. I'm just writing this down. Paul Knowles and a $2 super chat. Thank you so much. I've got it. All right, here we go. Here we go. Searching Galactic going down. Palantir, Gold, S&P, Amazon, Apple, Nextera Energy, Enphase, yep, it's going down. Coca-Cola, up. J&J, going up. Kenvue, Chevron, Tesla. Nice little bounce this morning. Rivian. McDonald's. Google. Microsoft. Walmart. Tilray. Robinhood. IonQ. Rocket Lab's going down. Plug Power. Rumble going down. Funware. FFIE. Rio Tinto. Bitcoin. Polygon down 6%. XRP down 2.73. What about our LUNR? Intuitive Machines selling off now. Still up, but going down. There's our update. Let me read the comments. Randy B, it's up 400% since last October. Sharp begging to come down. Mr. Mankey, good morning to you. Hi, Paul Knowles. Good luck, Sensei Crypto. Good luck, everyone. Paul Knowles, I'm always confused. I'm just reading the chart. Enphase. Sensei, your opinion about Huma. David Cranch. Become a member and I'll review the stock for you. Nvidia. Let's have a look. Yep. Going back down. People trimming before the Nvidia ruins it. Polo runs like a chicken without a head. When you get time, can you do NNDM Nano Dimensions? Let's have a look. So NNDM Nano Dimensions. All of these will be done today. Kevin B. That one jumps above Paul Knowles. Let me just move that. Whoops a daisy. Cut that out there. Put that above Paul Knowles. There we go. NDM Nano Dimensions. And that is Kevin B. Kevin B. Here's the comment.
Just when you get time, can you do NNDM Nano Dimensions?
Okay, now for those of you watching me on Rumble, by the way, you can actually, if you become a subscriber to my channel, you're supporting me on locals, you can have the same benefits as on YouTube. So if you become, this is my audience over here, and if you are a, let's have a look here. Where do I go to show you? If someone has got, hang on, how do I get the highlight what that is to show everybody? Let me just skip the ad a second. Just trying to share with you how it works. A Rumble Premium user. There we go. Sub. There you go. So Rollo Tomasi is a subscriber. See the little why don't it read it out? There you go. I don't know if you can see this, but it's when I hover over the crown, it says sub. A little crown, a little castle means you are a subscriber. If you are a subscriber on Rumble, then you can ask for a review, just like you can here on YouTube. Okay, it's the same thing. It's like doing a super chat. It's like being a member. It's the same thing. So Rallo Tommaso, just so you know, at least one page. Yeah, that's right, Rallo Tommaso. You are supporting my channel, and I'd like to say to you that you can have a review. So you are a premium customer. You can have you can send me direct messages. I can give you my all links, which means you can get the newsletter. You can get the birthday card. Now you get all the benefits that YouTube members get. So let me give that to you because I want to make sure that you do get all of those benefits, all right? So let me give that to you now. I'll give you the link. Here it comes. Just bear with me. I'm going to give you the link right now. Make sure that you get this. Just the same. Here it comes. Right. There you go. So you get all the benefits of YouTube membership, just the same, all right? Just so you know. Okay. So just let me know if you want me to review a stock, and I will gladly do it for you. All right. Excellent stuff indeed. Okay. Excellent. Now then, good morning, everyone. Oh my God, Kevin, Nano, and Nova in my same list. Good morning. The red suit is Shannon Miller. You know exactly, Shannon Miller. If you've been watching the video earlier today, it's because my Playboy review comes out today. Good morning, everyone. And it'll be the last time I'm here on YouTube, I'm sure. I've gone all out. Okay, let's have a look. Have I got all the comments? I have. Right, Nvidia is starting to go up. The markets are still down, though. Let's go through. Virgin Galactic's going down. I said it would. Palantir. It's going to be a very volatile day today. It could be a great day for going shopping, though. Apple's going up. Next to it, Energy. Enphase is down. Coca-Cola's going up. J&J is down. Kenvue's down. Chevron. Okay, now then, let's get into it. Let's have a quick look and see how busy we are on the channel this morning. Share with you what's going on. So if you just tuned in, I've just put out a video, or at least I will be shortly, that Rumble was real numbers yesterday, and I actually I earned $2 yesterday, which is great. You know, actual real money yesterday. Tesla's doing well. We'll keep our eye on that. Let's have a quick look and how we're growing here. You ready? We've really flying at the moment. Everything is flying. LUNR is getting all the attention, and FSR. These are the things that are trending on my channel, which means they're trending on YouTube because I rank #1 for these stocks now. There you go. Let's have a quick look. 16,800 and what? Did you just see that? That's my biggest ever. That's like in the last half an hour. Did you see that? That was 63 subscribers in the last half an hour. We're doing 1,000 a week now. It's incredible. Wow. Did you see that? That was amazing. Right, it's incredible. Absolutely incredible. I can't believe it. That was just the biggest jump. That's the biggest jump I've made in half an hour. That was crazy. Anyway, perhaps they realised you rumbled them, Martin. It was great. No, I actually got. Did you see it? Look out for the video. I just made it. It'll come out later. I earned $2.09 yesterday. I had 33,000 views apparently. Let me also go and check it. If I go and share with you like this, if you go to the Rumble homepage, you'll also see here. If I go to my channel, 1 day ago. There you go. Look at that. 29,900 views. That's what it says. That's what it says. And I'm just going to say though, as I said in the video, I'm always completely honest. I'm not here to promote anything. I'm just here to bring you facts without an agenda. That's what this channel's about, right? 29,000 views on YouTube would have earned me about $30. I earned $2.90 on Rumble. Just so you know. So that's why I've said I've never earned any money. The CPM and the payout rate is so low compared to YouTube. You have to have millions of views. It's like TikTok. It's actually like TikTok. I've got millions of views on TikTok and I've earned about $100. And literally millions of, it makes, so you have to get literally millions of views. But anyway, it's great. It's great that it's going up. It's great that I got some views there, and great. Good luck to Rumble, for being able to monetize it. I really thought there was never any way was ever going to get any money, but there you go. There it is. Fantastic. Really, really good. Now then, Tesla is doing well. Going up today. Do you see any connection with Nicola Video yesterday and Rumble News? Nicola Video yesterday and Rumble views. Do you see any connection from the Nikola video yesterday and the Rumble views? I haven't had a chance to study that. So honestly, I don't know. But I tell you what I will do. And you're just making me think there a minute. Let me just think. So if I go on to, let's go NKLA stock. Let's see if we rank there. Right, I'm just doing a few little checks, and I'm going to show you this, and I'm incognito as well, so you know this is real, okay? This is real, okay? So, Nikola, I've never done Nikola before. I did it, well, ages ago when I had no subscribers. Did it yesterday, look, and I've come straight in number 3 in the world. So we ranked number 3 for the search term for Nikola on the first video. Incognito, and there I am at the top. You can see that, right? And there I am again 3 months ago. So I'm now ranking for Nikola. So there it is. What about what else did we do? What's the other one? What else is there? FSR stock. Let's see if we rank for that. Okay, yeah, we're up the top again. Incognito, yeah, I'm on the page twice, 3 times. I ranked number 2 in the world for that now. FSR stock. So there you go. So these are stocks that we can really have a say in. Doesn't benefit me, benefits you. If we make videos on these stock and they are positive reviews, the stock goes up because the views go up. People see the good news about the stock. We debunk the false information. That's what we're all about. So yeah, we do rank number 2 for that. VinFast. Let's have a look. VinFast. That I doubt it, Kevin B. I doubt it. That was VST. We only reported it for the first time yesterday. It's very small. No reviews on it at all yet. Was it VST? No, it wasn't. Was it VFS? Was it VFS? What is the stock for VinFast? VFS. Oh, hello. Right. There you go. I'm at the top. Incognito mode, right? Okay. Let's see how we rank for that. No, we haven't ranked for that yet. The 105. Schwab are right at the top. I think we'll rank for it if we did one more video. Because we do rank for the word stock now. What was the other one? There was... what was it called? Soundhound. SOUN. See if we rank for Soundhound. Let's have a look. Soundhound, there's our review. Number 2. Let's have a look. Where are we ranking? There we are. Number 2 in the world for Soundhound. So there you go. This is incognito. These are real numbers. This is not me sort of manipulating the numbers in any way. So this is really good, right? Okay. Wrap is moving. We put some good news out this morning on Wrap. Let's have a look. RAAP, WARP. Wrap is just bounced. It was down 4%. It's now gone up. Lance Strength, thanks for that. Got to be number 1 on that one. VinFast Auto. Not yet, we're not. Because you've only put 2 videos out on it, and it's only last night, and there's very few people searching for it. So there you go. Anyway, let's go through our positions right now. SOUN is down. We're talking about Soundhound is down. Right, SOUN. SOUN. Soundhound. Yep, SOUN is going down. It's down 5%. FSR is down. All these stocks are going down. So do you know what I'm going to do, folks? I think I've got these videos which predicted that all these stocks would go down and why. I want to get them out. If I end my show, I can put them out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my reviews, this morning's reviews, and then I can get off and put these videos out because people need to know why the stocks are going down. I have a responsibility. If I rank number 1 for all these stocks, people want to know. And the reason is it's because of Nvidia. I don't want any fear. I want people to know what's going on. So what I'm going to do is... hold on a minute. F5 Tornado. Let's have a look. Yes, if you go to editor picks, he was featured, meaning he was on top of the homepage. Was I? Let's have a little look. Rumble homepage. Let's have a little look. Top live categories. Continue watching. Let's have a look. Picks. Let's have a little look. Featured playlists, sports, viral, podcast, finance. Yeah. Oh, there I am, number 3. There I am, number 3. But I'm not trying to rank. The point is, I'm not trying to rank. I'm not doing anything to do that. I'm not even gonna. I can't even win the competition. I'm not about me gaining money. I'm not about me winning money. I'm about being honest. That's it. It's not about me gaining subscribers. I've always said that. Everyone knows who watches me. It's not about me, doing that. Anyway, there's Rumble. Very good indeed. It's time to add the bunny ears, Fisker in the 50s. Yeah. So let me get to it. I've got to put these videos out very, very quickly for the review to come out, for the Playboy video to come out as well. So here we go. Let's get to it. I'm going to be busy now. NVMI. Nova. Did you say you put something in general chit chat for Nova? Potterus, Lance Strength, Potterus, general chit chat, links for YouTube. Zach, where is the link that you wanted me to share? It's not in links for YouTube. Is it in stock news? Rallo 1, Potterus, Zach Zate. Good morning. I've been to the office of Nova and State last year for my review. Here a picture from the front building lobby. Nova. Aha! Great. I will use that. Zach Zate has been to the offices. You've actually been to the offices. I love it. Okay, I'll have that in. So, okay, thank you for that. NV. Okay. Just lining up my next review. NV. What is it? NVMI. Okay. Back test. NVMI. Nova. Okay, we'll put $10,000 in that. The S&P 500, we'll put $10,000 in that. Okay. Nova. Nova Me. It's interesting. Okay. Just lining this all up. We've got any investor latest news, events, press releases. Yeah. We want to look at that. A story about driving innovation, dimensional materials and chemical metrology solutions for advanced process control in semiconductor manufacturing. I know why you like this. It's Virgin Galactic colors, right? That's why you like it. I can see where you're going. This is Virgin Galactic colors all over it. All right. Okay, Nova. Interesting one, this. NVMI. Okay. We'll line it up here as well. NVMI Nova. Okay. JS Socks. It's a member's perk to review stocks. I'm afraid you need to become a member. It's time to add Bonnie ears. Fisker in the 50s. Yeah, we've got a video just come out about Fisker. That'll be coming out when I finish this review. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Numbers. Interesting one. 1 hour 20. One hour 20. This is for Zach's 8. Over. Okay. Time for another stock review. This time we're talking Nova, NVIM. In this review, you're going to see the most honest review you'll ever see on TV. The reason for this is I use the most advanced algorithmic software that is unbiased, unpaid for. No one pays me to do this. And I just bring you the facts. If the facts are good, you'll hear good news. If the facts are bad, you'll hear bad news. I'm not sponsored and paid by anyone. We do have a Meet the CEO series, though. So if the CEO would like to come on my show, my members message the CEOs of all the companies and they come on the show. I've had 2 already, and there's more to come on. And they can share their stories. We're going to show you a full back test of the company. Thank you, Mike Davis. This is made during a live video. All my edits are done live. Everything happens live, so you know it's real. I'm not here to gain subscribers. I'm here to build the most honest, real family in the world. That is my aim, and that's why I'm live up to 10 hours a day, every single day. Nearly 3 years now I've been doing this. Okay, so we're going to show you a full back test. We're going to show you the company's balance sheet, a solvency test. We're going to show you a profitability score, inside trading, who's buying on the inside, who's selling on the inside. We're going to take a deep dive at the latest news, the website. Much information is going to be shared with you here, unbiased as it happens. All my members can book a review, whether you're watching me on YouTube or Rumble or any of my platforms. You can book a review. It's completely free of charge. I provide it to my members or subscribers, in that case to Rumble. But anyway, it's great to have you all here. If you like this review, please do smash the like button. We do rank #1 on many of our stocks on YouTube and Google, and so we have a real influence over it. and we really can start to move the stocks in a positive light. Let me explain what I mean. I don't own any shares of any stock whatsoever. I only own the S&P, and I'm not sponsored and paid by anyone to promote anything. I just share the facts. But if the news is good and we rank number one, I can debunk all the false rumors. We saw some false rumors yesterday around FSR stock. And I now rank number one for that, and we've got some good information out. So here we go. Nova. What is Nova? We're going to start nice and simple, and then we're going to get more in depth as we go down. But we are talking AI. We are talking semiconductors again today. Oh, we got a new member. JS just became a member of my channel. That happened live during the show. 98% of our live viewers are members, higher than any other channel on YouTube TV. Go and check it. Mr. Beast would love numbers like that. Even though he's one of the biggest YouTubers in the world, we have the highest engagement rate, and we are growing and doubling our rate of growth every month. It's incredible, the rate. I'm aiming for 10 million subscribers in a few years, which is more than any other financial channel in the world. I'm sure, I've got no doubt about it, we're going to get there. Not because of me, because of my audience. They want honesty. They don't want nonsense. I'm wearing a red jacket today, by the way, because we've got a big review coming out later on today. It's Playboy. It's going to be my most sexiest video I've ever done, and I might not be on YouTube or any other channel after today. But what the hell? I thought I would review it, and I'm going to. So let's get straight into it. What are the facts about this company? What is it? What is it? Let's have a quick look. So let's go to the main line chart just for a moment. Start off nice and simple. Massive growth here, as you can see. Very nice chart. Looks a bit like Tesla or Nvidia or any one of those. Nova, $158 a share. Let's have a look at it. Nova Limited engages in the provision of metrology solutions for the semiconductor manufacturing industry. Its products and services include dimensional metrology, inline materials, chemical metrology, and semiconductor manufacturing. I haven't got a clue what metrology is, but hopefully I'm going to find out in a minute. Honestly, I have no idea what it is. I'm making this live, as I always do, on my review. So, you know, they're real, unedited. They happen as they happen. And Software Solutions, show more. The company was founded by Giora Dishon and Moshe Finarov, I hope I pronounced that correctly, in 1993 and headquartered in Israel. That's interesting because the person that's asked me to review this is actually from Israel himself. And I will share with you, he actually went to the offices as well, which is pretty cool. Let me share with you, this is Zach. This was sent in. If you are one of the members of my channel, you can review, become part of my army, and send stuff in. This was sent in. This is the Nova reception. Look, going up the lift. This is actually one of my members, Zach Zay, who wanted this review. And there you go. He's going up to the offices. Maybe we'll get a direct link there, as we do from the factory for Virgin Galactic and the spaceport and everything. We got a team all over the world. In fact, we have members in 58 countries. Again, more than any channel, I believe. I've not been able to confirm that, but I am pretty confident in that, though. Anyway, very excited about that. Anyway, is headquartered in Israel. Wonderful stuff. CEO Gabriel Wiseman. Now, I'd like to invite Gabriel Wiseman onto the show. We have a Meet the CEO series where we actually talk to the CEOs, and they've said to me, the ones that we've already interviewed, and there's more coming up, they prefer talking to me here compared to Bloomberg and places like that because it's more real. It's unsponsored, it's unbiased. We have a sit down and have a conversation, and I hope you can come on my show. So how does that happen? Well, I never message anyone. I never will. I never sell myself. Never do it. My members, my investors will reach out to you. They will share information with you, and you'll hear about me, and hopefully you'll come on the show. You have an open invitation. If you want to invite your favorite companies onto the show, just contact them through investor relations or through email, or just tag my videos in their social media, and they'll get to hear about this, and let them know they have an open invitation to be on my show. 1,202 employees, founded in 1993, regarded as low risk, 25% on margin if you were buying it on margin. Market cap 4.58 billion. The high today, the 52-week high is 172, and the 52-week low is 86. So there's been some volatility there, or is it just continual growth? We'll look at that in a moment. Okay, average volume 145,000. No volume here. This is interesting. Very low volume. People just buying it and just holding it, or what? Anyway, we'll come on to that shortly. Let's move on down and let's see what if we do have a rating here. This is a rating from Morningstar. I would never use this. They're paid and sponsored to say stuff. I do it for free. So we've always detected manipulation in any of these things. The stock market is incredibly manipulated. It's a very dangerous place to play. But there you go. 83% buy, no one selling at all. Okay, great. But let me do my review in a minute. I'll look at the numbers and I'll decide whether it's you should be buying it or not. Again, it's only my opinion, but I'm not paid to say certain stuff. Okay, as you can see, they've been beating expectations consistently. So Wall Street have no idea how to value this company. They've not been getting it right. They don't know how to value this. And the stock price consistently beats expectations. That's great. Estimated 123, they did 136. It's going up. We did have a little dip here. I would like to look on the investor relations pages and find out what caused this, because up to that point, we were just consistently rising. Anyway, it's a profitable company. It is making money. Who are we in bed with? Who else is investing in this stock and on other stocks? It gives us a sentiment. Nvidia, AMD, Applied Materials, Taiwan Semiconductor, Microsoft, Micron. Makes sense. All of the AI chips, the semiconductors. Now, this industry obviously is at a pivotal point. With AI, with self-drive cars around the corner, with flying cars, flying taxis, robo-taxis, robots, God knows what else. All of this sector is one for the future. Nobody will disagree with that. However, it's very trendy and everyone's buying it. And now more than ever, retail investors, because of Robinhood democratizing investing a few years ago with stimulus checks, started to get in the market. Everyone's buying what's sexy and rock and roll. Hence, it's getting overbought. So that's all very well and good. But we want to buy value. We don't want to buy anything that's going to likely to go down again. We want to buy it at the bottom, right? As an investment, not as a gamble. We're not gamblers, we're investors. Right, let's now, before we do go into the numbers, can this stock make you money? Because at the end of the day, we're investors here trying to return a profit. We're not here just to scratch our chin and look down in dismay, or even stand around in an office and get all hot under the collar and shout and scream at everybody. We don't want that. We don't want that. We want to calmly invest and make wise decisions so we can return a profit and the money stacks up. Well, let's find out if we can make money on this stock. Let's first of all start by looking at the website. If you like this video so far, please do tap the like button. It will share it out to more people, and we hope to rank #1 for this stock as well. The good news is we're starting to rank for the word stock. So anything before the word stock, we seem to rank for, which is amazing, right? Would be wonderful. Okay, even if you don't like it, tap the down like. I don't mind what you do. We're not trying to grow subscribers, but what we are trying to do is build the most honest, real family in the world. That's what we're about, and that's what we are, and we will become one of the biggest channels just because of that. Now, I can see why Zach8 particularly likes this company. It's got Virgin Galactic colors. He's a Virgin Galactic investor. He's been there, and he reports from us live from the spaceport. And you can see that it's the same colors. Anyway, I know, just a bit of fun. And by the way, the reason why I'm wearing red today is I've got a special video coming out later on, and that is for my Playboy review. It's probably the last time you'll ever see me on YouTube. I'll give you the link for that at the end. A story about driving innovation. Nova is a leading global innovator and key provider of dimensional materials and chemical metrology solutions for advanced process control in semiconductor manufacturing. Okay. This is being made during a live video. I do see I've got questions coming up. I will answer all my questions. I won't miss anybody, all right? Just repeat your questions or your reviews you want done. I won't miss you. Process Insight Redefined. Continually pushing technological boundaries, the teams at our research and development centers in Israel, Germany, and the USA bring innovative solutions to the fast-paced, ever-changing market. Our rich and diverse technology portfolio is supported by professional services teams located close to our customers and boosted by our advanced labs, clean rooms, and innovative centers in a comprehensive offering that provides everything you require to support your business success. Okay. Let's look now at the latest news from the company. Nova announces second generation Metreon for inline secondary ion mass spectrometry. I love all these big words. Remember, I'm reading it for the first time. No preparation, right? So there you go. Let me read in. I apologize, it's a bit small. I'll try and zoom in a little bit. This is the latest news from the company. The new Metreon incorporates key improvements, including increased sensitivity and enhanced charge compensation, and is now available for shipment to customers. The Metreon system introduces a unique inline composition profiling capability for key processes, control measurements, including contamination, residues, and diffusion, which cannot be obtained by other measurement techniques. The latest version also delivers faster time to results, improved dopant uniformity control, and better depth resolution. The new Metreon has gone through extensive customer demonstrations in 2023 based on existing purchase orders and evaluation agreements. The platform will be installed at several leading customers to undergo a qualification process in production lines for the most advanced memory and logic devices. Now we're going to move over to the numbers, because at the end of the day, this stock is, we're all about investing and making money. So we're going to reach out to our AI partners and, do you like that? I thought I'd share that with you, and see if we can actually make some money on the stock. Is there an opportunity here to make money? At the end of the day, the money, the numbers have to stack up. Let's look at Nova's intrinsic value first of all. Tap the like button, leave me your comments below. I will reply to every one of my members' comments. If you're not a member, please consider becoming a member, and I will reply to all of your comments and make a video if necessary as well. Okay, Nova. Overvaluation, 36%. Base case. Best case, 23% overvaluation. Worst case, 48%. Overvaluation. Can we rely on this valuation? Yes, there are no warnings. This is accurate. What is an intrinsic value? You might want to pause the video at this point and have a little zoom in there. What is intrinsic value? You can do that now. I don't want to repeat myself on every review. Okay, so with something like this, I have a benchmark of paying 25% overvaluation for a high value growth stock. However, on the evening before we've got Nvidia earnings, when we could have a crash today, do we want to be buying Nova today? I would say not. I would wait, but we can't tell yet. We need to go into the balance sheet. But it's overvalued by 35%. Will it grow into its price? Well, let's have a look. Let's have a look at it. Let's run in real time through my software. And if you want this software, I'll give you a link for it in the description or above my head, and you can use my software for free or a premium service where my members get my lifetime discount, a lifetime discount, making my membership for free. Bloomberg and CNN do not offer a discount for this software. I'm the only one, and it's the best algorithmic software available for reviewing stocks, bar none. I love it. Okay, as you can see there are the numbers. Profit 208%, 4 transactions, and average valuation 2%. This is a valuation, a back test, to give you an idea of the correlation, 78%, to give you an idea of the valuation of the stock. Okay, fundamental analysis, Q4 earnings 2023. This is what we picked up from the earnings using our AI software. The company's fourth quarter earnings per share outstripped guidance, marking record highs with $1.20 as a gap and $1.36 non-gap, despite a 9% yearly revenue decline reflecting broader industry contraction. Gross margins grew roughly 1% to 57 to 59%, showcasing the company's value-driven technology leading model. Operating margins were also strong at 26% GAAP and 30% non-GAAP in 2023. Despite industry challenges, the company increased its margins, managed a $106 million free cash flow, and maintained healthy working capital metrics. Looking ahead, Q1 of 2024 guidance forecast 134 to 140 million revenue, with expected gross margins at the higher end of targets and a manageable tax rate around 15%. Good guidance, good earnings. Let's have a look. Can we make money from this stock though? Revenue is just dipped -3%, but we are expecting an incline going through until 2026. Operating income also dropped slightly at 3%. Again, expecting a steep incline on operating income. Net income, again, down 1%, expecting a nice return. 126 million was the free cash flow, up 15%. Very nice. Capital expenditure, we've been spending money. We're now spending 7% less. Very good. Operating cash flow up 11%. Nice. Very, very good indeed. Balance sheet. 85% of my viewers don't look at the balance sheet. How unbelievably crazy is that? But they don't. Let's look at the balance sheet and see how we are doing on the balance sheet. 1.1 billion, and half of that is in cash. 474 million in cash. That's very nice indeed. We have a decent amount of cash. The exact percentage is 40. I think that's 43% in cash. Very good. Liabilities 380 million. That's a third of our assets. That's good. On the right side of it. What about long-term debt? Hey, we have no long-term debt. We have no short-term debt. This is a very, very, very nice balance sheet. Very nice balance sheet. I mean, it's perfect, actually. It's perfect. We have assets far outstripping liabilities. We have cash, half of our assets. We have no debt. This is a very, very nice company indeed. So far on the balance sheet. Gross margin, 56%. Very good margins. 25% operating income increasing. Margins increasing all across the board. This is looking like a strong buy from me. However, we've got to compare it to the competition. Nova, thank you for bringing this one to me, Zach Zay. I like this. I think we'll do well on this one. I think this will rank for this on YouTube and Google, and some good news out on this one. So far looking good as I predicted. Great balance sheet means a great solvency score. That's very, very high, 74%. Very, very good solvency score. Not going bust, absolutely not, and thriving. High Altman Z score, low DE score, long-term solvency score, short-term solvency, all tick, all green, all good. Profitability, 69%. Very, very nice indeed. Isn't perfect, but it's very, very close to being perfect. Positive gross profit, tick. Positive free cash flow, tick. Exceptional 3-year revenue growth, tick. Exceptional 3-year ROIC. All of this is very, very good. Very, very good indeed. Now then, because everything is looking good and it's been overbought, Wall Street are saying that they are predicting a downside. Now remember the earnings, going back to the first part of our earnings, they continually underestimate the stock. Worth knowing, over history, they continually underestimate the stock. I'm making this during a live video. If you are commenting and you do want a review, please do repeat it at the end of this review. I won't miss anyone's questions, but I need you to repeat it at the end. This is being made during a live video. Okay, so NVMI average forecast is 12% on the downside or 31% on the downside. Hence what I'm saying, Wall Street do undervalue this stock consistently. So maybe there is some room here for an upside. I would certainly wait, though, to see how Nvidia go tonight. And, of course, if they beat on earnings, which we're not expecting, though, then the stock could go even higher. So maybe if you've got an allocation of $1,000, you put half in now, perhaps, and then the other half in if it drops. And if it goes up, then you can add to that, but at least you got your half in. That's the way I would look at this. This is certainly a buy from me so far, okay? Because of the balance sheet, because of the value, and because the fact they're undervaluing it, and they've undervalued it consistently, and it's beat it consistently. So Wall Street aren't getting this right, okay? So that's why I say that. The competitive market, you need to go and check the competition. I will give you a link below in the description, and also give you a link above my head for you to go and compare using this software that I use, and you can see what the competition is doing. What about insider trading? What about short interest? Well, we've got 4.77. We've got some short interest, but not much. Certainly no short squeeze here, no volume on the stock, and we certainly don't have any short interest of any significant amount. So no short potential there. Let's scroll down. Any news? That was 2 years ago. So very little news. No information on inside transactions. No one really talking about the stock. So here's my prediction. I'd like to add this to the stock. Are you ready? Here it comes. I look into my crystal ball. You know what? I'm going to rank for this on Google and YouTube, and you're going to see the stock price go up. That's what I think, because it's a positive review. No one's covering it. Very little information. No inside transaction information. No sentiment information. Hardly any volume. It's sort of building in the background. No one's really paying attention. Why is that good? Well, it means potentially with a good news review and information coming out, this stock will get attention and people will start to buy it. I am making that prediction. So it's a strong buy from me on the basis of all that information so far. Let's now go and look. And by the way, my review will be right down here in about 2 or 3 days. It'll appear here. And make sure that you go and watch it from this page. Very, very important that you go on, if you want to promote the stock, that you go and watch my review and you click on it through Alpha Spread. I'll give you the link for that in a minute. It will not only promote the stock, it'll promote the website, which promotes the stock. Just a little tip there, by the way. All right, okay. Let me now go and look at a back test and see how it compares to the S&P. And see if this is a good buy. If we can match this up now with the S&P, then we have something quite good. Go back since 2011, so a reasonable amount of time. The S&P is in red and Nova is in blue. It looks like a solid stock. It's following pretty much the trend of the S&P, but a higher growth without the explosive volatility of Tesla. You know what, folks? I think this is a buy. We've just got a comment coming up from Zach, who is from Israel right now, who is from Israel, living in California, by the way. Because of the war in Israel, Wall Street undervalued all Israeli companies. Interesting. I think this has an even more catalyst for a buy then. So let me now wrap up my review and give my final thoughts on it. If we just look at the overall pattern of the stock, as you can see, it's up 1,000% over time. Of its maximum time, the lowest it went down was $3. Look at it, look. Bit like Nvidia. But look at it. It's rallied up now. Now that over 5 years, we've got 540%. Over 1 year, 77%. Year to date, 15%. 3 months, we are in a bit of a dip at the moment, but this is trending consistently alongside the S&P over time. This is a buy for me. This is a buy for me. I'd be putting perhaps half of your money in if I was buying this. Remember, I'm not buying it. I have to be impartial, and then adding on the Nvidia earnings. That's the way I would look at it. Anyway, click above my head if you want the access to Alpha Spread, which is what I use. Go and check that out. Also below in the description of this video. Go and check that out. You will see later on a video coming out. I'm reviewing Playboy. I gave you a little bit of a taster of it earlier. Yep, I've got a video which will probably take me off YouTube. I doubt if I'll be here after this, but I've been asked to review Playboy. So I'm wearing Hugh Hefner's jacket. And I'm covering it later on today. It's a live premiere. You want to watch it. It probably won't be there afterwards. All right, that's the Nova review. What do you think? Leave your thoughts and comments below. I will reply to all of my members. I think I will rank for this. I think I will rank for this on YouTube within maybe a week, this one. And on YouTube. Hopefully you'll invite the CEO onto the show. We can learn more and they could be part of my Meet the CEO series. It's a strong buy from me. Put half money in now. Wait for a dip on Nvidia. If we get an Nvidia pop, maybe then we'll get a bit of a sell-off. Maybe wait a day or so. If it continues to go up, maybe add the extra your 50% that you've got left into it. I don't know. Anyway, that's what I think. What do you think of that? Click above my head over here for all the reviews, my full list of all my reviews, and everything else that I'm doing. It will be down there. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Now then, did I have any requests for reviews? If I did, now repeat them. I'm about to end the show and get all these videos out. Get ready for NVIDIA earnings and get ready for the premiere. You'll see it posted on my social media shortly. Hopefully you will watch the premiere of my Playboy review. Okay. Let me make sure we're all good. Good. Nova is not a secret anymore. It won't be. After a few days, Fisker is fake news. It will be bought up and explode. Fisker is fake news. What fake news is that? It will be bought up and explode. Fisker, what is the news? Can't leave the screen. Feck, messing around into the garden. Portfolio up 20% on Friday. I'm up only 50% now. Do Fisker own stocks from his company? What's going on? Did the spacecraft crash or something? What are you talking about? What's going on? What have I missed? Come back to me and update me. What have I missed? LUNR? LUNR? Oh, it's going down? Let's have a look. It's basically what I predicted, and I need to get that video out. No, there's no bad news yet. Levin Hop. Did we get any? Oh, JS. There we go. Is JS still here in the? It's JS. Are you still here? Let me do this now. JS. Are you still in the chat, JS? JS, are you here? Are you here? I need to give you all your perks and benefits. Are you here? Welcome to Bronze. Would everybody please welcome JS? LUNR just got halted. Okay. All right. Okay. I've got an update. LUNR, I've got an update. LUNR. Yes, okay. JS is here. If everybody could please welcome JS into the show. You've got a badge now. You'll be recognized. There are members-only live streams, members-only videos. If you go to the homepage of the channel, here are the members-only videos. There's members-only live streams, members-only chats. You can now ask me to review a stock. You can get me to poll the audience, ask a question. You can be one of my. You can phone into the show, be part of the show. There's a way to call into the show. It's on my website, martynlucas.com. Here is the links. There's the all links button. You can get the newsletter, and there's the music channel. Every Friday we can you can request a song in my music channel. Stockwitch, if you follow me, I'll reply to all of your comments. Alpha Spread, you can get now the membership discount, lifetime discount. There it is. You can also get. There's my Discord. It will take 10 minutes to get through Discord. No, there's no lagging going on. Everything is fine. I'm checking my streams. There's no issue. Oh, hang on. What's going on here? What am I seeing now? Let me see. That's excellent. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, that should come back in a second. I apologize if there is any reason. There shouldn't be any reason why. I don't know why this is. Yeah, there does seem to be some buffering again. I don't know why. I don't know what the reason is. It seems to be YouTube's end. We've had it a couple of days now. There doesn't seem to be an issue. They're receiving an excellent signal. Okay. I wonder if the same thing is happening on Rumble. Let me have a quick look. Let's have a quick look. See if they're receiving the same problem. Now then, JS, if you go into Discord, I will be able to upgrade your account. It will take 10 minutes to get through, so I will do it in the closing bell show this afternoon. No, the stream is still going. The stream is still going. I have no idea why this is happening. I'm not sure. The stream is still working. There does seem to be some issues. Don't know why. Okay. So anyway, every day now. I don't know what it is. Okay. Anyway, I need to record this. Let me share with you the news this morning, and the reason why it's going down is a broader market selling off. People are fearful for some reason because of Nvidia is overbought, but right now though, Intuitive Machines has sold off, but there is no bad news. Let me share with you. I've got the information here on the screen that you might want to look at. So let's go straight over to it now. This has just come out just some moments ago. Odysseus completed its scheduled 408-second main engine lunar orbit insertion burn and is currently in a 92-kilometer circular lunar orbit. Initial data indicates that the 800 meters per second. I'm not, in fact, MS. I'm not sure. Is that meter per second burn? I think it is. I'm not sure. I'm not an astronaut or a space expert. All right. Was completed within 2 milliseconds of accuracy. After traveling over 1 million kilometers, it's now closer to the moon than the end-to-end distance driving across Space City, Houston, Texas. Over the next day, while the lander remains in lunar orbit, flight controllers will analyze the complete flight data and transmit imagery of the moon. So everything is good. It continues in excellent health. We expect to continue to provide mission updates at least once a day on X and on our webpage. The same thing was reported, of course, on their X. They're all excited. Everyone in the space station here is all excited. Everything is fine. Mission control, that's the word I was looking for. Everything looks good. So the reason why it's selling off is exactly what I said. Exactly what I said was because of the overselling of Nvidia. The overall market's selling off. We put that out this morning before this happened. We knew the stocks would go down, and now people are taking profit because in between these announcements, obviously it's very risky, and the stock is massively overbought now. That's what's going on. But no, there is no crash. Things are all online, all on target for success. We wish them the very, very best. I just wanted to update you. We will be covering the earning. We will be covering this live if possible. In fact, we will be covering it live because you've asked for it. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description, and over here and over here. And if you want to see my review, my very, very sexy review coming up very shortly of Playboy, a Playboy review, probably the last time you'll ever see me on YouTube, because I'll be taken off air, I'm sure, when I'm there with my Hugh Hefner jacket. Anyway, I'll see you all back later for the flight as we land on the moon. Keep your eye on the stock. I'll keep you updated. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Ed Spitzer, every day now. Ed Spitzer, I'm sorry you're disappointed with my stream. I'm really disappointed that you're disappointed, but just know that we have the best of everything here. I have the best, the most sophisticated equipment that is available today. The highest Mac computer there is. It's the Mac Studio Ultra 2 Studio. I have the best cameras, the best everything, the best internet available, backup internet, backup power. Everything is updated, everything is serviced, everything is repaired when there's the slightest error. I can't do any more than I'm doing. I pay for the highest services to be able to stream the highest quality. This is beyond my control. What's happening right now has got nothing to do with me. It's an issue with YouTube, and I can share with you that look, I want to share with you this. This is where I transmit my services to, and the feed is excellent, always excellent, very, very, very high. Look, high definition, super high definition, extremely good bit rate, frame rate. Everything is good, no issues, no dropouts, everything. It couldn't be higher quality. And unfortunately, sometimes, services have errors. And at the moment, there are some errors on YouTube, no doubt about it. But, I can only do what I can do. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but I am trying to bring you the best service that anyone could bring. Anyway. I hope you understand. Right, FSR. Someone is saying FSR is going out of business. I've got to get off and put these videos together. FSR is 56 cents now. I've already reported on that, so I don't need to do that again. Stop lost hunting, I think, Luna. Stop lost hunting. Not sure what that means. Jenny liked it as well. She agreed with me what I said. Okay, I've got to get off, put this information out, and I'll see you all back in a bit then, all right? So I'm not going to do day trader of the day. I want to get off quick. I've got so much information to get out. I want to share that with you. I want to get it out quickly as possible. So let me have a quick look at our subscribers, see how we've moved. 16,864, another 10. 874. We should be at 17,000, I would say, by tomorrow at the rate we're going, about 1,000 a week, which is very, very nice. All right, good stuff indeed. How many views have we had? 11,000, 12,000 now. Absolutely great. There's the growth rate there, look. Lunar, FSR. Right, I've got to get out, get this put together. I apologize for the abrupt end, but I've really got so many people to do. Are you available for a call? Sensei Crypto. If you call me straight away, on Discord, yeah. At the moment the show finishes, call me and I will jump in and speak to you. But that's it from me. Thank you ever so much. We've got big reviews coming out. We've got the Playboy review coming out. A lot going on. So I will speak to you all back shortly. Look out for that. Back for the closing bell. Let me make sure that this video goes to the closing bell. Stream. That's all good. Edit. Customization, closing bell. So Sensei, call me straight back. Closing bell show 2 p.m. I've really got to get off then. There we go. All right, that's it from me. I'll see you all back in a bit. Sensei, come right on the phone right now. I haven't got time to do day trade of the day. Because Martyn streams live more than any other YouTuber, he also experiences all the slight issues that YouTube presents. Exactly. Because I go live all the time, like thousands of hours, you see all of the ups and downs of it. Whereas a lot of YouTubers, they make their videos and they upload them. And obviously it works because it's just an upload. I'm going live all day, every day. So you're going to experience everything. All right. So disappointed with Ed Nevius. I'm out of here. That's the reason. Anyway, MSK, I appreciate you putting that into context. Sensei, come on the phone. I'll be right with you right now. Until then, I'll see you back this afternoon. As always, take care of yourselves and each other.